Good morning to all the children and parents. The following assignment, dated 26th April 2021, is for Class 2 for the subject of English Literature. We are going to start with a new poem, The House That Jack Built, from the book Pancake. Mrs. Anita Rana and Mrs. Charandeep Bhatti are the subject teachers. This voice is of Charandeep Bhatti. Dear children, the house that Jack built is a rhyme, but although this is an early cumulative tale that does not tell the story of Jack's house or even of Jack who built the house, but instead shows that the house is indirectly linked to other things and people, and through this method tells the story in small events, showing how these are interlinked. So children, recite the poem at least 2 times and try to remember the events one after the other. Now, let us go through the summary of the poem. Once there was a house which was built by Jack. A rat came to eat the malt which was kept in the house. A cat who lay in the house killed the rat. A dog worried the cat. The cow with crumpled horn tossed the dog. A lonely young woman looked after the cow. There was a man who kissed the maiden. A shaved priest helped the man with tattered clothes and the lonely young woman to get married. There was a farmer who used to sow the corn, had a cock that used to crow in the morning and wake up the priest every day. Dear parents, please help your child to memorize the rhyme by following simple rules. Number 1. Let the child read the rhyme loudly and observe the sequence with the help of pictures drawn on the next page. Number 2. Help him or her to understand the repetition of short sentences and placement of the words. Number 3. Lots of repetition is used in the house that Jack built to emphasize upon feelings or ideas to create rhythm. Number 4. With repetition of the rhyme, the house that Jack built will make it easier to learn and gradually learn the whole rhyme in the end. Number 5. Now close the book and let your child recite as much of it as he or she can remember from the beginning. Let the child use his or her imagination to color the pictures beautifully and understand its sequence of events. So children, on the next page, you can see the depiction of the poem, The House That Jack Built. Let me explain you this picture. So children, this is Jack's house and Malt is in the house. This rat ate the malt. The cat killed the rat. The dog worried the cat. The cow tossed the dog. The maiden milked the cow. The man kissed the maiden. The priest got the man and the maiden married to each other. The priest had a cock, and you can see in the end the farmer that sowed the corn in the field. Next page. Now children, let us do the exercises of the poem, The House That Jack Built. You will be writing the following exercises in your English literature notebook. Children, you may write one exercise each day and learn it. The first exercise is difficult words. So children, number 1 is built, 2 malt, 3 worried, 4 crumpled, 5 tossed, 6 horn, 7 forlorn, 8 maiden, 9 milked, 10 married, 11 priest, 12 shaven, 13 shorn, 14 crowed, 15 mourn, and 16 sowing. Dear parents, please help your child to pronounce the words correctly. Help him or her to break larger words into smaller sounds such as forlorn, crumpled, crumpled. Ask your child to repeat after listening to the correct pronunciation. Exercise number 2. Word meanings. Number 1. Malt, barley or other grain that has been dried. 2. Crumpled, something full of folds that are not equal in size. 3. Maiden, a young woman. 4. Forlorn, sad or lonely. Number 5. Tattered, old and torn. 6. Shaven, removal of hair from face or head. Number 7. Tossed, throw somewhere lightly. Number 8. Horn, a hard, pointed, curved part that grows from the top of the head of some animals. Note: children should understand the word meanings first. The word meanings which are very lengthy will be asked as give one word for the following, whereas the short meanings will be asked as give the meaning of the following. Exercise 3. Give short answers. Question number 1. Who ate the malt? The answer is the rat ate the malt. Question number 2. With what did the cow toss the dog? The answer is with its crumpled horn. Number 3. Who worried the cat? The answer is a dog worried the cat. Question number 4. What did the maiden do? The answer is she milked the cow. Question number 5. With whom did the man got married? The answer is the maiden all forlorn. Question number 6. Who woke up the priest? The answer is the cock woke up the priest. Question number 7. Who kept the cock that crowed in the morning? The answer is the farmer kept the cock. Question number 8. What did the farmer do? The answer is the farmer sowed the corn. So children, learn the above exercises for revision test next week. We will cover rest of the exercises next week. Home assignment. Number 1. Revise lesson number 1, the pancake, for revision test next week. Number 2. Learn difficult words of the poem The House That Jack Built, for dictation test next week. Number 3. Revise word meanings and give short answer of the poem The House That Jack Built for revision test next week. With this, we end this interactive session. Thank you and have a nice day.